I want to review my wet and dry vacuum cleaner after 2 good years of use. So here it is. This. Here we go. She's a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, she's one of a kind. Got that confidence and style. She's blowing your mind. With every step she takes, she's on. Well, today's cold is too much. It's just too much. And it's making me lazy. Today I've done nothing on my to-do list. I had around 4 items to complete today. One of it was shooting this vlog, of which I'm really pushing myself to do it, and I'm super sure that by the time I'm done with this intro, I'll get all the vibes, I'll get all the energy. Because sometimes when I feel like I don't want to do anything, I just talk to myself, I vlog, I create content, and then I get the vibes. Anyways guys, how are you guys doing? I'm hoping that you all are doing amazing. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ruth, and I'm so happy to see you here. Kindly consider subscribing, like this video, share me out, and also drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll really appreciate. Anyways, in today's vlog, I want to review my wet and dry vacuum cleaner after 2 good years of use. I don't know if it's 2 years or we are almost 2 years with it, and I just want to review if it's worthy your purchase or not. You know, sometimes when you're buying things, you want things to serve you for years, not that you're going to use it for months, for weeks, or for days, especially when it comes to electronics and some household items. So I just want to review it, and let's see if it's worthy you purchasing, because me, I would want something that will serve me for years, for decades. I want to vacuum my carpets. I have the living room carpets, and then I also have the dining area carpet, and I want to use it mostly on my living room carpet because it's fluffy, and a fluffy carpet or a hairy carpet stores a lot of particles in it. Sometimes when I take it out and then do like this, I don't know how I can explain it. When I do like this, I see a lot of food particles coming out of it because it's fluffy, it's hairy, so food particles hide in there. So I want to show you if vacuum cleaner, the type of vacuum cleaner that I have, really does the job well. You know, if it really sucks the dust or the food particles inside that fluffy carpet. That is what we're gonna do, and I'm hoping that you're going to stay here till the very end. If this video is useful, it's informative, it's important to you, you know what to do there in the comment section, and also just pressing that subscribe button, and don't forget the notification bell. So let me get my vacuum cleaner and we do this. So besties, I've decided to start with my dining area carpet because it's the one which is more dirty. I was looking for a dry bread, you know, a slice of bread which is dry kabisa, and we do that bread crumbs on the carpet, and then we see how it goes. But first of all, let's clean this. Let's vacuum the, let me show you. I don't know if you're seeing, it's so here. So here it's indicated carpet. I don't know if you can see it. Hapa. And then here it's tiles. And then here it's carpet. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm going to press it up so that it can be on the carpet. Yeah. So this is how dirty it is, but this one is very easy to clean, more than a rugged one. Yeah, this is how dirty it is. So yes, let's see. So guys, I already feel like it's very slow. I don't see it. I'm feeling like it's very slow. It's not even cleaning. Let me try to clean this thing here. Here, because I feel like it's not pulling the dust again. Let's see. It's long since I cleaned it because I rarely use it. I'm just lazy. Yeah, it's now clear. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's clear inside. Mimi ndo niko na makosa, by the way. I really clean it. Oh my god. That's why it's so slow. It's now clear. Yeah. It's adjustable. You just press here and then you pull. Yeah, so it's long enough. You guys, mimi mnaona ikifanya kazi. Are you seeing it working? Like it's so slow. It's so slow. I don't know. I'm not seeing it working. I don't know if it has a problem, but I've cleaned it. So I just don't know. Ebu muniambie in the comment section if you are really seeing it, if it's working. Nimekaa na hii kitu for 2 good years and I've been using it, but now I don't know. Let's try again. So besties, I've currently used my all energy. I am struggling and I don't know. What I know is when it comes to a machine that does something for you, you should not use a lot of energy. But with this one, I'm really struggling. I'm using a lot of energy and see. Guys, I'm using a lot of energy and nothing is happening, so I don't know. Let me open inside. I clean it, but I've cleaned that sucking pipe. I've cleaned it. It's very clean, you have seen. Now I don't know where the problem is. I want to open the entire thing, clean that. Let me just show you. But for me, I'm not sure if this thing is a long-term investment, this type of vacuum cleaner. I'm not sure if it's a long-term investment. You can maybe tell me in the comment section, and also if you have one, let me know. Am I the problem, or is the vacuum a problem? Is there anything that I'm not doing that I'm supposed to do? Yes, let me know in the comment section. But for now, let me first of all open it, and then I try again and see if kutakuwa na change. But for now, I'm already doubting it. I've started doubting it. Let me just clean it first before I say my final. The thing is long enough. The socket is far end, and I still have extra. It's long. That is the good thing about it. It's very long. So that's how you open it. By the way, I did a video on connecting and assembling it, so you can watch it here. Maybe here, and then here. Watch. You get it. Cannot be this. Do you know, guys, what I'm thinking? I'm thinking that maybe these things zimeisha. Hapa kuna rubber like things easy. I'm thinking that maybe zimeisha. Cause kama kuna problem, it's here and here. Not even here, hapa. Because this thing is the one which does the kuvuta hizo uchafu, you know. So I'm thinking that hizi vitu zimeisha. That is my conclusion. Let me just sweep my carpet with a broom in peace, because I'm really sweating using this thing, and I'm just thinking that hizi vitu zimeisha. Let me just sweep my carpet with a hard broom to avoid the stress that I'm going through with this thing. And I don't know what to do about it. You can tell me in the comment section, what can I do about this? Is it replaceable that I go remove this and then waeke kitu ingine? Because this one nazishuku easy. I'm going to use this. Here we go. After sweeping with my broom. besties, that is that. I'm done. Yeah, and you see how it's looking like after sweeping with a broom. So my own is, it's not a long-term investment, so I don't know if it can be like put another one or what, I don't know, but for me it's not a long-term investment because I've used it for 2 good years, and at first it was so quick, 1 2 3 and then you are done. But right now, nowadays, I was really struggling to vacuum the carpets, but with the floor or on bare tiles, it's good. On bare tiles, it does the job real well. Just that I'm tired and I'm not going to vacuum the rest. I want just to sweep once and for all. So I'm looking for another cordless vacuum cleaner. I've already seen it. I'm just like saving up for it so that I can get it. Yeah, that is what I want to get. I already have the pick. I already have the how much it costs. I already know what I need, so it's just the money and then I go get it. With this one, I don't know. Okay, another thing before I sign out, I wanted to talk about the wet part. The wet part from the word go, for me it didn't work. I don't know, for me it didn't work. This is my genuine review. I tried to pour water on my carpet and then used the wet part to vacuum. The wet part, it's not something big, it's just that you have you change the clothing. The way I've removed that thing, you have seen the white part, you just remove it and then you insert a black like net something to suck that water, but it didn't work. At the end of the day, I had to move my carpet to dry outside. So the wet part, it doesn't work 100%, like it will dry your carpet completely. It doesn't. For me, from the beginning, it didn't work. So the wet part, I've never like bothered myself to use it because it didn't do the perfect, like the way I expected. And then also that net like thing, iliraruka, pulling it out and then putting it iliraruka because it was something delicate. I don't know even where it is, but I was done with it the moment I got this vacuum cleaner. So that is it. I'm looking for that cordless, the one I know you know it. I really want to purchase that one, so that is what I'm saving it up for. Nitakula. That is what I'm saving it up for. Anyways, we have come to an end of this video. If you know anything about this wet and dry vacuum cleaner, let me know in the comment section what I can do to make it work again. But I've already made up my mind that I'm going to purchase a cordless vacuum cleaner. Okay, so thank you so much, besties, for sticking here till this very end. I really appreciate you. Kindly consider subscribing, like, share me out, and also drop a comment in the comment section. Your feedbacks are really and much appreciated, and thank you so much for the love you show me, for the membership, for everything. I really appreciate. I cannot take it for granted. Until my next one, just remember to stay real and also keep peace.